Today we've got a super mega awesome mail time for coin ring maker. I got a little excited on eBay this week, and let's see what we got. We'll start with this little one. Well, to start it off, we got a silver bicentennial quarter. I thought this was super cool, so I bid on it and I won. Let's see what's in the next one. This one contained a 2008 American Silver Eagle. Still in very nice condition, and we've actually got some toning on the edge of this. It's pretty cool. Next little package. Let's pop it open, see what we got. Looks like I got myself a second bicentennial silver quarter. I guess I wanted two. Nice. Next package. This one's special, so we're going to save it for last. We'll go on to this big one. This is a 1992 Silver Eagle, still in the original packaging. Very nice. I like the look of that. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the last one. This one came from Benjamin, not Franklin. Let's open it up, see what I got. Classic shipping with quarter rolls as packing paper. Gotta love it. Let's see what's in here. This is all rolled up in here. Ooh. Can't quite see what it is. Let's tear this open and figure it out. This appears to be a nice collection of Alabama quarters. Thank you so much, Ben. I appreciate you hanging on to these and sending them my way. I have the hardest time finding these Alabama ones, so this should keep me stocked up for a minute. I really appreciate it, bud. So not a bad mail haul at all. I think today was a pretty good mail time. If you agree, please like this video and share it with a friend who'd want to see it. I'm really digging these American Eagles. This is my second and third one to get, so I'm pretty stoked. And I think these are going to make great rings. I'm really excited about them. Alright, y'all. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed my mail time. We'll see you later. Bye!